Okay, ready guys. There you go, Joe on the jump.
Oh man. That's funny. Good choice, man.
That other side's a little more gnarly, but if you hit that grade, that's gonna hurt. Right here would be better, but
Out there too.
yeah. Well, that's what that looks like when you're going. Looks like I hit a jump down there.
Yeah.
But I don't know what it is. Just shadows or whatever.
Waves in the.
You guys are gonna sleep good tonight.
Watch out because
There goes Joe. There goes Liz.
it's turning to ice. It's turning to ice. The more you ride on it, the more it melts it ice.
There goes Marcus.
Oh. Even on.
Oh, that's a good thing he's got full snow pads.
You want to take this, Ben?
No, go ahead.
You sure? Yeah. All right.
I don't have it.
I'm gonna try this steep part.
Are you?
Yeah.
I can't. I
Try to go up to the right.
Okay, Travis gonna take the steep part, guys. Travis taking the steep one.
Don't die. Don't die.
Oh, barely.
Pops the tube.
I want to go down it.
Right here. Make sure you don't go over there though. Come here, Marcus. Go that way.
I might go for the jump though.
No, you won't. Just go right here. Go ahead. Great.
Joka, go on my sled. Go see how far I go.
You got your tennis shoes on or you got boots on?
Are you going to go down there, Marcus?
Marcus is crazy.
No.
Hurry, before you get down. Get up.
No,
No, you won't. That's what I'm trying to go.
Marcus, look out. Have you saw everything in this? Hello. I'm gonna hit him.
Go that way, Marcus.
You help me?
Make sure you fall off before you get to the... Marcus, go over there.
Yeah.
Go.
You're not gonna make it, Joe.
I can't get up. Crawl. It won't help. Help me. Crap, I'm scared.
Okay. Be careful. You'll go. You're okay. You ready? I didn't push you. You got scared and turned it. What is that? Move it. Throw it over there so one of you guys don't hit it and get hurt.
What is it?
Piece of the plastic.
Joe, you made it.
I barely made it up.
You got snowshoes on?
Huh?
You got snowshoes on?
Yeah.
Marcus, is that fun?
This is like a daredevil.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Look at that daredevil hair.
Don't go that way, Marcus.
Mark, don't go off the jump, okay?
Yeah. It's because when my dad pushed me, the sled went like this and went. I'm gonna go in. You are?
I'll go down a little bit. I'm just gonna go down like a little bit. Just like a little too bit.
You gonna go, Marcus? Go. Look at Mom.
Yeah.
It's like a big lift at the bottom.
Let's see what happens.
He's not stopping himself. Just land on your feet. I don't think so. I heard crunch.
Those are the kind that you get hurt on.
Oh god.
You know, watch out for Marcus. I might try it.
I know.
He's crazy not to do it.
Don't hit that. Great.
Until he gets hurt. What's wrong with that jump? That was too harmless.
You are? This one you get some pretty good speed, huh?
Maybe halfway I'll go, but not the whole from the very top, you know. If I can hold on to the tube and land on the tube, it's a piece of cake, but as long as I keep the tube under me, I won't die.
Did you get it fixed?
Yeah, I patched it on the bottom.
That's
Still there.
I've seen a lot of. What?
That puncher right there.
Oh yeah.
You what?
Something tipped me over. And then it started sliding towards the hill, so I got scared.
That one goes fast.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. He's pissed.
Oh, Marcus hates when he takes off his shoe or socks. I know.
I'm sure he's pissed off at his dad for that.
I know, right?
Dad, if you would have pushed me, I would have lost my shoe.
He said that once. I'm gonna go see what happens. If you're gonna hit him, jump off. Or I might hit him.
Joe,
Scared to jump
just
off.
watch out for those drains, okay? Because if you get all those things, they're gonna hurt you
Yeah,
big time.
don't, make sure you don't hit that grate. You gotta come closer over here with him. It's right in the middle.
You see him go to it.
It's kind of some cool lighting here.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Flipping cold.
Stop. Oh, they're done. You gotta help yourself.
You gonna take the jump?
No. She'll miss it.
Make sure you don't hit Marcus. Wait.
Watch out, Marcus!
Go, Luke.
I'm gonna go over there.
Broken sled right by the jump.
What's that?
When you see a broken sled right by the jump, it's a bad sign.
Yeah, that's a warning.
Like a graveyard.
I know, that's what I said. I was like, it's a graveyard.
Is Christy and Trina both in your car?
Oh no.
He didn't like this man.
Was he crying?
No, he was just a little angry.
A little angry.
You had his angry eyes on? Your dad? No. Because this time don't push me.
I won't push you.
Joe, don't go at the same time over here. Okay, I thought you were over here. Okay.
I think I'll try this one next to the jump. Not the jump, but next to it. Like right here.
Let's see how bad that look is. Looks really bad over there. It must be where the snow, the wind blows the snow down. Just don't hit that jump, because I think that'll hurt.
Either that or it's a ditch.
Oh, it's really not that big.
Yeah, I'll be letting go of the sled before I go off that. Push myself.
Not that big.
I don't know, but I seen that guy go off it.
Can they go out that part? No.
No, we're sledding, silly.
But I guess you catch some air.
Keep going down the hill.
What, is that Lippy down there?
What?
Is there a jump right down there?
See, they need to put the jump in the middle. You put it right at the end, you got nothing to land on but flat ground, you know? What, Mark?
Is it big right here too, Mark?
Protect yourself. Not gonna fly it.
He's gonna do it without a sled?
Oh my gosh. Well, you're not gonna slide very well.
Dad, help me.
Yeah, right.
You should have waxed you up.
What? Dad, are you gonna go down this?
Just the side, right next to it, right there.
It's not that big. It looks huge. But plus, you got the tube. He has just a tiny thing.
Alright, here we go.
You lied.
Oh, me?
Uh-oh.
There must be a bigger lip there than...
No, it's not. It doesn't look that big.
What is that over there?
Trash can.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
You okay, Marcus? You okay?
You guys gotta go together.